Hello, this is Jim Vaughn, and we're here again with some update on the stimulus packages, the COVID-19 updates, and to let you know what's gone on today. This was the first day that self-employed individuals were allowed to apply, and there's certainly some different news on it today. Most of the commentators and the ones that we've been watching are agreed now about guaranteed payments to partners. A guaranteed payment to partner will not qualify as wages for either of the loans by itself. What will apply is what's on the K1 in box 14, which is the self-employment earnings. The same thing goes for the individual returns on the Schedule C. The bottom line, net income, will then flow and be taxed for self-employment tax, and those will be the self-employment tax, self-employment earnings that are used to calculate the payroll for the year. The same thing could be said for other unusual situations, but the direct payments granted to the partner are not included. This generally will be the amount or close to the amount in box 14, but not exactly. In most cases, there could be some variation, as it also includes a proportional part of the earnings of the business. It's what you're actually paying Social Security on. The other big piece of the news, which is very disappointing, I think, is that the SBA has now changed the rules on the advance payment. We've all been counting on this $10,000 advance payment, and some of you may have received notices and emails that you've been accepted, and that even for perhaps a larger amount on that, and that the advance payment would be rolled into your bank account. And you've all been expecting $10,000. Well, a new definition has come out today and is on the SBA website that essentially says your advance payment will be $1,000 for one person, $2,000 if you have two people in your organization, $3,000 if you have three people in your organization, up to $10,000. So for the smaller amounts, we sometimes are thinking, well, was this really worth it to go through? And yet my reading is that this is a change in the advance amount and that the remainder is still available to you. So if you were approved for $15,000, you'll get $15,000. It's just that you will still have to pay $14,000 of it back if you only have one person in your payroll. The advance of $1,000 would be forgiven, the remainder would not. This is brand new news and is contrary to everything that has come out before, and is just another example of the constantly changing rules. We hope that you'll keep looking at our YouTube and looking at our what we are sending out, where we try to keep up to date with all of these rules. If you're not on our website, and if you're not receiving our mailouts, please send your name to Vaughn, V-A-U-G-H-N, at Vaughn CPA, VAUGHNCPA.com, and we will get you on the mailing list immediately. Thank you and have a great Easter.